Hello everyone, welcome to my channel India Gate. This is Nandini Sharma, and in this session of the C programming language, we talk about storage class specifier. So before starting of this session, if you want new gate tricks, tips and important notes, so please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for further notification of my latest videos. So come to the point, that is your storage class specifier. So what is the storage class specifier? So basically a storage class specifier provides the information about the location and visibility of the variable used in C, and storage class is used for the clear explicitly the scope and lifetime of the variables. So here variable is used as the global and local variable. So what is the global? So basis of the global variable, it is also called the external variable, and these variable are used throughout the program. Means it is used globally. And local variable, this variable are declared inside the function and they do not have scope outside the function. So this is the difference between the local and global variable. Now come to the types of storage class specifier. So there are 4 types of the storage class specifier. First is your auto, second one is your register, third is your static, and fourth is your external. Now come to the important table, which is specify the all type of the storage class based on their storage initial values, lifetime, linkage and scope. So first is your auto, and the storage of the auto is memory. The initial value, which is called your default value, so here the initial value is your garbage, and lifetime of the auto variable is static, and there is no linkage. Means there is no linkage provide the externally and internally, and the scope of the auto variable is your local or block, means within the block. Second is your register. So register have the storage in CPU register, and the initial and default value is your garbage. It is also similar to the auto variables, but here storage is different in the case of the auto and register. It is have also lifetime automatics, and there is no linkage, means none linkage is provided inside the register, as well as scope is also block and local. Now come to the third here, static variable. So this static variable have the memory storage, and here initial value is 0, and lifetime of the static variable is statics, and linkage is the static variable is internally, and there provide the scope, that is your global. So static variable is used globally. Now last is your external. So the storage of the external is your memory, and the default value is 0, and here lifetime of the external is static, plus the linkage is in the external variable, that is your external linkage is provided here, and scope is also similar to the static variable, that is your global. Now there is difference between the auto and register as well as static and external, is that in the case of the static and register there is linkage is different. Means here in the case of the static the linkage is internal, but in the case of the external the linkage is external. So this is the main difference between the static and external variable or storage class. As well as here in the difference auto and static, that is your storage. Means in the case of the static the storage is memory, but in the case of the CPU register there is storage is CPU register. So this is the main difference between the auto and register. As well as there is difference between the all others, like auto to static. Basis of their the initial values is garbage in the case of auto, but in the case of static there is 0. As well as lifetime is here in the case of the automatic is automatic, but here in the case of static is static lifetime is used. As well as there is the linkage is none, but here in the static there is linkage is internal. Plus scope is used like block or local, but here is a global use of the scope. Now come to the example basis of the all storage class. So there is example is given like first is your auto. So we easily specify auto int count, and here register care ch, and in the static basis here int, and taking the variable as int x and external like double x semicolon is terminated. Now most important point for you that if you want more detail about the storage class specifier as well as the variable, so I am discussed already all the variables and type in the C programming language with full explanation, and also use the questions, gate questions basis of these variables. So if you want more detail about this variable, I am already made a video on the variable in C program, that is your part 4 of the C programming language, where I discuss all type of the variable like global, static, external, register, auto, and also discuss the short tricks for gate questions basis of the variables. So this session is end here. I hope you understand these points. Thank you for watching.